In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload files to Google Drive. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So uploading files to Google Drive is a good way to share files with people. So for example, if you want to share a file through Gmail, you can only have an allowance of up to 25 megabytes before you have to upload it to Google Drive or something similar. So first of all, what you'll need to do is head over to Google Drive, and then you'll be on this page here. And from here, what you can do is click on New in the top left hand corner. Once you click on that, you will get a couple of options here. So you'll get File Upload and Folder Upload. So you can do any of these, whichever is most relevant to you. So for example, if I click on File Upload, it will bring up my files. And for example, if I want to upload a file, I will just upload this video here. So if I click on that and then click on Open, or you can click and then drag it into here. As you can see in the bottom right hand corner, it is now uploading to Google Drive. As you can see now, it has now finished uploading my file. So once your file has uploaded, it will be shown here, and then you can right click it, and then you've got a lot of options right here. So you can rename it, you can preview it, anything like that. So that's how you can go ahead and upload a file to Google Drive.